Translating. You cannot travel to foreign countries without translate. So we were in a giant tech store, and Jim needed to find HDMI cables.
All I did is I had a picture on my phone of the cable that I needed, and I could also translate it into Japanese, the particular one, and I just showed that to the very helpful person at the counter there, and instead of pointing you in some direction, he actually walked you around and took you to the place where the cable was. And he didn't find the exact cable, so he found somebody else on the floor who knew exactly where it was, and she took us and pointed out, and there was a good selection of cables that we needed, all of the right size and lengths, different lengths. It was wonderful.
Okay, but if you want to just talk into your phone and have it translate, it's so easy. Now, you might be tempted to use this conversation mode, which you talk and then they talk and you talk and then they talk. It's a little confusing, and it really is easier to just you talk and let them read the transcription. And then they will have a phone in their hands as well, and they will talk and translate it back to you. So I want to show you that. First of all, I'm talking about Google Translate. You may need to install it if it's not already on your phone. Google Translate, and it's set to translate English to Japanese. I don't have to type, I can talk. Where can I find HDMI cables? And just like that, it has transcribed what I'm asking into Japanese. You show that to the helpful person, and right away, then they will talk into theirs, which is translating Japanese to English, and you can see their answer. Very, very easy. You can also translate what you see. So I have this little candy, or I think it's a candy. I don't know. It may be a pill. Who knows? And instead of speaking into Google Translate, you click on that little camera button and it will translate. And I think I can show you that. So it's this camera right here, and it opens up the camera. Then whatever you put in front of the camera, it just instantly, but I have it set to English to Japanese. That's not going to work. So I just tap this little double arrow to change it Japanese to English. That'll be better. Kirito fruit candy, salt pine flavor. All right, well that helps. The fruit is crispy. It tends to give you different results at different times. But it's definitely candy, a fruit candy, so I like it. And that's very helpful with signs. When you're looking for directions, a lot of signs around the big cities will have an English subtitle, but not all of them.